In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store and organize employee documents on Gusto. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right admin permissions, since document management options may not appear the same for every user. Once you're signed in, take a moment to get oriented in the dashboard so it's easier to follow the next steps. From the left sidebar, click on Documents. This is the main area where you can upload, manage, and organize files related to your team. When the Documents section opens, make sure you're on the Shared tab. This tab is typically where documents meant for employee access or shared visibility are managed, so it's the right place to begin when uploading files you want organized and available. Next, go to the top right corner and click Add Document. This will open the upload process. From there, select the employee document you want to upload from your computer. Before uploading, it's a good idea to confirm that you've chosen the correct file version and that the file name is clear and easy to recognize later. Using consistent file names can make searching and organizing much simpler over time. After selecting the file, enter the document details. This is where you'll add the important information associated with the file and choose who can access it. Depending on the available options, you may also be able to configure sharing settings. Be thoughtful here, especially when working with employee-related documents, so the right people can view the file while keeping everything properly organized. Once everything looks correct, click Upload or Save to add the document. After the upload is complete, return to the Active tab to view your uploaded documents. The Active tab is useful for checking that the document was added successfully and for reviewing files that are currently in use. If you need to find a document quickly, use the Search Shared Documents bar. This can save time, especially if you're managing a larger number of files. Searching is often the fastest way to locate a specific document without scrolling through the full list. To keep your employee documents organized over time, move between the Active, Draft, and Archive tabs as needed. Active is helpful for current files, Draft can be useful for documents that aren't ready yet, and Archived helps keep older materials out of the main view without deleting them. Using these tabs consistently can make your document library much easier to manage. Thanks for watching.